folks. I've been trying out this new tool called Scouts by Yotori. I think it went pretty viral on the timeline recently, and I love it. It is killer. This isn't quite like an unboxing video like I usually do, first look sort of stuff, but it's great. So basically the general concept is you can set up a Scout to monitor anything on the web, and it will notify you depending on what you ask it to do. So you can see we've got some examples scrolling across the bottom here. Availability at Barry's Castro for Monday 7 a.m. slot. Summary of top hacker news post daily at 4. Ultra headphones under $350. Least tech related news on hacker news daily at 9 a.m. So you could just give it a site and say, when this happens on X site, let me know about it. As simple as that. If you're looking for a house, you could say, if a house comes on in this particular area and it costs under 500,000, let me know about it. Really simple idea, but actually executed magnificently. So let's give it an example. Why don't we just say, when a new video model is released on fal.ai, I think fal.ai exists. I think that's the webpage. Let me know about it and give me a short summary of what it is and why it's good. As simple as that, like plain English. You can see that it will now break it down. It will say new video model released on fal.ai. And when would I like a notification about this? Do I want it every day? Do I want it Monday 9 a.m. or when a new video model is released? So if you're an AI thread boy, we need the results as they come out. So you can write the breaking posts on X. We get the views, we get the money, we get the payouts. We need the scouts. So we're going to start scouting the new file video models by pressing this delightful green button. We get this little animation. And here's what we have. The new scout is scouting in progress. Here's our description that we have. And we now have the option to create more scouts, but here's what it's currently doing. We'll email your first report soon. Your scout is gathering an initial report for you to evaluate and make change if needed. It will report its findings on this page, but no need to wait here as we'll email you when ready. Now, I can show you some that I built previously. We go to My Scouts. Here's what we had. These are just kind of some that I was messing around with. There's a real estate agent here in Mallorca called Sandberg Estates, great real estate agent. And I wanted to find out if a property got removed from their site, because sometimes, especially in Spain and Mallorca, there's not a central LMS of property sales, etc., etc. So if a property gets removed from a site or a real estate agent's website, chances are it might not be available or it's been sold. Now, this is good for rentals, etc. too. And I can show you this scout is going out, and this is what it reports. So it's still in progress. Today, a ground floor duplex apartment in Bendenat was removed from Sandberg and marked as sold by us on the June 16th. So this is the one that was just sold. We had another one removed and marked as sold by us here too. If we click through, or we hover, maybe it gives us a little preview. If we click through, it's going to go here. So sold by us. So now this property is no longer available. But don't worry, I'm not actually looking for properties in this price range. A little bit punchy, but that's what it does. So let's say if you're looking for a rental, this is going to be great because you can know when a property is available or not available. If you wanted to go and edit, you could do by clicking this button. You can edit the scout here. You can change the alert time, delete it. But more importantly, you can share it or give a thumbs up, a good report, give some feedback. This is relevant, accurate, and timely. Very nice. You can share this. You can copy the link to the report and share it with somebody else. So you could even probably create like a really nice niche business of this if you're hunting properties for people. Maybe you're scouting 100 different property sites looking for a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, with a certain feature set in a certain area. You can now just send your scouts out to do the work for you, and you can concentrate on other stuff without having to check every single site every single day. That's nice. Down here, this was some more classification work that it did. the only Sandberg Estates real estate agency I could find is Mallorca, Spain. So I didn't actually specify the location, and Scouts just figured it out. So when you create a Scout, it will actually go and do a lot of the thinking work for you, and it just does a really good job at figuring this stuff out. So that's nice. If you want to actually go and inspect the work that it does, you can do that too. So if I click inspect work button, we can kind of watch a session replay of the actual work, and it will let you know what's going on step by step. You're tracking when Sandberg Estates removes properties from their listing, signaling possible sales. Since this is the first run with no past data, I'll find their website. So we're watching a previous run, but you can kind of see how Scouts goes about thinking. It will scan the page. It will go through some links here. It will fire up a few different Scouts. You can see you've got 3 agents using the web now. It will find the property listing site, and then it will keep going through until it's happy, and it will start building its report. So here we go. We've landed on the correct site now. And by the way, whatever web browsing agent they're using is really smooth. I'm not sure what they're using under the hood, maybe browser use or something similar. But yeah, I just thought that was a really cool way to visualize it. UI is really clean as well. Let's go and have a look at 1 or 2 more Scouts. So we're looking at the 11 Labs blog updates too. If they publish a new blog post like they did yesterday, we get it straight in our inbox. 11 Labs has introduced new precision delivery tools for AI speech, allowing users to fine-tune timing, rhythm, and emphasis in generated audio. So this is cool. Again, these previews are nice. Professional voice clones are not fully yet optimized V3, so instant voice clones or design voice are recommended for now. Okay, these are just so nice, just to get a quick scoop on everything you're looking at. We're looking for a table for 2 at 7 p.m. at a favorite restaurant in Palma. When that comes up, we'll know about it and we can book straight away. We're looking at new summer events for the kids that always come up. New events get scheduled online and you don't necessarily know about them as soon as they get published. And yeah, some rental houses, new video models, but that's pretty much Scouts. Really simple, but really, really well executed. Huge fan of this tool. I'm going to be setting up tons more, but yeah, I highly recommend using it. Scouts, once you've got an affiliate code, if you're watching this, let me know, because I'm about to recommend this to everybody I know. We love it. Let me know how you use it as well. If you find an interesting use case, let me know in the replies. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.